Get yourself a dog and feel the love. A dog will give his life for you.
A dog is happy to see you too. Every time you come home, get yourself a dog. Get yourself a dog.
He loves you first. He loves you long.
Get yourself a dog. Get yourself a dog.
When your heart is broke, he makes it strong. If you are sad, your dog will feel your pain. A dog will protect your home when you are gone.
A dog comes in many colors, but he doesn't see your skin color. He can't tell one from another. Dogs comes in all sizes, long and tall, short and small.
But your dog never sees your size.
It just looks right in your eyes.
You are his master, you think, but it is hard to tell when your dog shows you
A wagging tail.
Get yourself a dog.
Get yourself a dog.
He loves you first.
She loves you long. Get yourself a dog. Get yourself a dog.
When your heart is broke, they makes it strong.
In my long life, I have so many loves in my life.
Waiting on me.
In the big doggy corral in the sky.
They will let the real master of us all know.
Our daddy has come home.
Tails will be wagging when I arrive. Your cat will be laying
In the master's lap taking a nap.
but cat